Hello, this is Rocco Beatrice, Managing Director for State Street Partners. Today we're going to talk about emergency type situations. We get telephone calls. An accident just happened. I think I'm going to get sued. Whatever those reasons may be for your telephone call. But here's the point. Is it too late to move your assets from you to a safe place because you think that something is coming down the road that they're going to try to take your money away from you? So the first thing you do is you go to your local attorney and he's going to tell you there's nothing you can do. It's too late. If you move the assets now, it's going to be reversed. Well, the key element that they're talking about is fraudulent conveyance. What you are doing is you're moving assets that would have been available to your creditor or whoever is going to be suing you. And is there a way that you can try to mitigate this type of circumstance? Well, fraudulent conveyance can be avoided if in exchange, and I use the word exchange, one asset for another asset. So if you give up $100,000, you get back $100,000. There's no fraudulent conveyance. You have an asset that was exchanged for another asset, and that is the mitigating circumstance of what you want to try to accomplish. In a situation where it actually is a little bit too late, well, it's better to do something than doing absolutely nothing. Because if the assets are in your name, the chances are that the courts will freeze that asset. If you have money in a checking account, say $50,000, and one of the things that the creditor can do, he can go in front of a judge, get a temporary order, so your account is frozen. Now you don't have the $50,000 available for your defense. So what are you going to do there? You're going to have to go into court and prove to a judge that the lawsuit was unwarranted and it should be returned to you. That's very unlikely. Protecting your assets, avoiding fraudulent conveyance is a hot topic, and there are very few ways to overcome it. We have such a product. We're able to show you how to exchange your asset for another asset. So far, it has worked. This is Rocco Beatrice.